Alright, so here's the Equil Smartpen 2. This is pretty much all you get is this unit here. So it flips open and you have your pen, which sits in this. This is a charging cradle. You get a USB cable to charge it back here. This other slot here is supposedly to help you remove the ink cartridge here so you can replace it. And when you replace it with the new one, you just push the new one inside there. But you're supposed to like move it back and forth until it pulls the ink ink pen out, and then you can put a new one in. Interestingly, it also comes with a manual, which is okay. It's not bad. As manuals go, it does have it in multiple languages, but it makes several references to the replacement ink cartridge, which is nowhere covered in where it is in this manual here, and I'll show you that here real quick. Also, the other thing that's not covered is this switch back here. You pull it out, and now you have a cap for your pen. And that's not covered anywhere in the manual either. So I didn't know what that was till I saw a completely different picture from a different reviewer. So, and then for the, let's get that back in there. This is the actual, you need to lift down the bottom and pull out. This is the pairing device part, and in addition to that, this is where they're hiding that replacement ink cartridge, way down in here. Again, the manual doesn't tell you where it is, just that you have one. So it's hiding underneath there. It took me a while to find out. So the idea is, once you've paired, and you'll use, this is your pairing button, and you use your standard pairing with your device, that you attach this to your paper, and I think this is just to kind of align your work with what you're about to record here. And see, I'm having a little trouble. Alright, and then I'm supposed to wake up the pen here. Not sure if I'm awake or not. I think I am. No, I'm supposed to light. There we go. When I get the light going on, that's when it's supposed to be working. And then I can start writing notes. Have a nice day. Alright. So, am I working here? And then this button here is supposed to make it so that you can change, say this is a new page. And then it's supposed to be this app on your device that's supposed to work with it. By the way, this app, so here's a page. It will not rotate landscape versus portrait. It will only do portrait here. And so I'm still trying to figure this out. Alright, so I have this working now. I had to make sure I got the message that my pen was connected on my device by pushing the pairing and unpairing button. And then I had to move to a new note page on the app. But as you can, I'm going to write here. Let's start a new line. I'll show you the app here. Here we go again. This is translating pretty fast. So there you go. It works pretty good for that. I will see if I can try the drawing tool next. For the drawing tool, it uses a separate app that you can download, and this is the Sketch app. So let me draw a nice little happy face, color that in, some eyeballs, and give us some teeth and some hair. So as you can see, it's responding pretty well to my drawing, and I was able to do a lot of different things there. So apparently with the app you can add color and highlights and do other things as well. So overall the pen seems to work really well. I'm not sure how long the ink will last. And then you have your device, which allows you to, when you flip a page, you can press the device down to flip a page as well. So it responded really well. I'm not here to review the 2 apps that you need to use it, but the Note one, which does your handwriting, is rated pretty well, at least on Google Play for the Android version, and the Sketch is not rated as well. But the idea is that you can, now that I have my notes, I can then send it. I can copy the text. I can send it over to Evernote. I can email it, Facebook it, whatever. And so apparently the app is pretty good with this device, which is always a big half the battle, right? Is it might respond well and do well, but does the software support it well? So I'm real happy with this. I would probably say I would like it a lot, just as it is. But the fact that I can share my notes and it's very responsive, I'm probably going to mark this a 5 stars. So hopefully this review was helpful to you. If so, please vote. Thanks.